Meaning of eligible.
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 Eligible. Eligible means that someone or something meets the criteria or requirements for a particular situation or position. In other words, they are qualified or suitable for it. For example, a person may be eligible for a job if they have the necessary education and experience. In terms of government programs, eligibility may be determined by income level or citizenship status. It is important to note that being eligible does not guarantee acceptance or approval, but simply means that the individual meets the initial qualifications. Ultimately, eligibility is a key factor in determining who can participate in various opportunities, benefits, and programs.